Welcome to English Listening Practice. This video is designed for learners of all levels. Listen carefully and try to understand the story. Let's begin. It is Saturday morning. The sun is up. Lena is at home with her brother Tom. Lena is 8 years old. Tom is 6 years old. Their mom is in the kitchen. She makes 2 sandwiches. She puts the sandwiches in a small blue lunch bag. Mom says, "You can go to River Park. Be careful." Lena says, "Yes, Mom." Tom says, "I want to see the ducks." Lena and Tom walk to the park. The street is quiet. They hold hands. Lena carries the blue lunch bag. Tom carries a small ball. They feel happy. They see a big tree and green grass. They hear birds. They smell flowers. They go to the duck pond first. There are many ducks. Some ducks swim. Some ducks sit on the grass. Tom laughs. He points to a duck. Lena smiles. She sits on a bench. She puts the lunch bag next to her. She watches Tom. Tom throws the ball. The ball rolls near the pond. Tom runs to get it. Lena stands up. She wants to help Tom. She looks at the ball. She takes 2 steps. Then she stops. She looks at the bench. The blue lunch bag is not there. Lena feels cold inside. She looks left. She looks right. She does not see the bag. Tom comes back with the ball. He says, "Lena, where is the food?" Lena says, "I do not know. I cannot find it." Tom's face is sad. He rubs his tummy. Lena feels worried. Lena and Tom walk around the bench. They look under the bench. They look near the tree. They look near the pond. The lunch bag is not there. Lena says, "Maybe I forget it." Tom holds her hand. He says, "I am hungry." A park worker walks by. He wears a green shirt. He has a broom. Lena goes to him. She speaks softly. "Excuse me, I have a blue lunch bag. It is not here now." The worker stops. He says, "A blue bag? I see a bag near the swings." Lena says, "Thank you." Lena and Tom walk fast to the swings. The swings are empty. Near the sand, they see the blue lunch bag. It is on the ground. A small dog is near it. The dog sniffs the bag. A girl holds the dog's leash. Lena says, "That is my lunch bag." The girl says, "Oh, my dog finds it. I am sorry." Lena says, "It is okay." She picks up the bag. It is a little dirty, but it is closed. Lena and Tom sit on the bench again. Mom's sandwiches are safe. They eat slowly. Tom smiles. Lena feels happy again. Then they watch the ducks and play with the ball. The day in the park is good. Thank you for listening and practicing English with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.